Hello everyone. So today I want to make a few updates on my LC80 suspension. Actually I have already disassembled it, but I will quickly try to show what we have right now. So basically this kind of was around the sitting position for the front, and then on the back, like this is how it's this is how it is right now, and when under the load it's like this. So I want to make it even lower, something like this maybe, to have more realistic, not like lifted. And on the front I had a problem that the servo motor actually was not allowing for the front to go deeper, and there's some links also that the links are also like hitting some parts. So I have received a couple of parts that I want to update together with this. I ordered this arm, which I will use for the servo motor, because here it's like the original arm is too short. I also want to increase the steering angle, so I need to use the longer one. And this one, that's the servo itself, I plan to move further away in order to give more space here. I will try to show it. So basically the servo is mounted here, and as you can see, like there is a hole I made for all the links and all the stuff to go up here. Basically I have glued some plastic parts here to make this sit a bit higher, but I need to glue more to provide even more space, and that's where actually the steering rod is basically sitting like this, and with the longer arm it will go down to its normal position. I need to update also the shocks position. I'm not sure yet how I will do that, but let's see what I will have at the end. Okay, so I have installed these additional pads like as a base for the servo motor, and I also cut a hole here for the suspension to have more place for the travel. And now I need to install the servo. I have also mounted the servo arm, and this now should go on its place like this. I have to mount also the electronics. Okay, so I have mounted everything together, and let's see if this will work. Okay, everything works great. Good. Okay, so I have connected everything. Apparently I have used this other hole, the higher one, because yeah, it's just like the axle do not allow to turn anymore, so I really cannot increase the turning angle with these axles. So yeah, let's see how it works pretty good, I would say. And now let's assemble everything to see what kind of wheel travel do we have. So here it is. I have assembled everything, and basically there is no much difference. Like if you compare with the previous one, this is like the maximum how it goes inside, like if you push from the both sides. But like in reality, when you articulate it, it's going inside like this, so it's kind of placed better. So the difference is not big, but it's still better. So yeah, thank you.